at last time. Okay, so first of all, we may have even, but that doesn't matter. So this is the square root of x, and 1, 2, 3, comma 0 is this point. Okay, so let's say the point on the square root of x that is the closest to 3, comma 0, I'm going to picture it here. Of course it's not, and it doesn't matter. I'm just going to say is that. So it's point A, x, comma, the square root of x. It's on the graph. For any x, the y value will be the function at that point. I'm going to create the distance. I'm going to call it w, and w will be the square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So I found the function in question, and it is a function of x only. So this is the square root of x squared minus 6x plus 9 and plus x, or the square root of x squared minus 5x plus 9. So w prime would be 1 over 2 the square root of x squared minus 5x plus 9 times the inner function prime, which is 2x minus 5. I determine where this is 0, and of course only when the numerator is 0. 2x minus 5 equals 0, x equals 5 halves. Okay, so now I determine y is the square root of 5 halves. And nobody knows whether this gives a minimum or a maximum. I have to show. So this is always positive. To the left of the intercept is negative, and to the right is positive, because 2x minus 5 is a linear function with a positive slope. It comes from negative, it crosses the x-axis somewhere, and it goes to positive. Negative, it crosses the x-axis, positive. So this is typical for a minimum. If I'm asked to find the minimum distance will be the square root of, I have it right there, 5 halves squared, 25 over 4 minus 9, no, it's minus 6, sorry. It's minus 5 actually, simplified form. Minus 5 times 5 halves and plus 9, and we'll calculate that. So let's see, what do I have? So it's 25, and it's minus 50, and it's plus, this was 9, yes, 36 divided by 4. So this is negative 25, 36 minus 25 is 11 divided by 2. And that would be the distance, the minimum distance. Okay, now where is the point? At 5 halves, comma, the square root of 5 halves. So right here. At 5 halves, comma, the square root of 5 halves. And this is the minimum distance. It doesn't matter where you start with the point. You just have to picture it somewhere so we can create a distance. Is this okay? And that's the minimum distance. Okay, perfect. Is there anything else?